Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam here from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Auto Crusher, which launched on the 22nd of January. In this video, we're going to review this exciting combination of 5 different software packages that will enable you to launch your own online business today from scratch. And we're also going to have a look at my special exclusive offers that you can only get from signing up using the link underneath this video. And I'll give you my overall rating of this product. So what is Auto Crusher? Well, it's a new one-click software that creates 5,350 e-commerce products that get 3,290 free Instagram clicks. Now, there's quite an extensive sales video here that lasts around 9 minutes, so I would encourage you to watch that so you can get a good idea of where the makers are coming from. But what it is, it's essentially 5 new software tools in one. You can automate your entire online business on autopilot with 5 brand new revolutionary software tools. The first thing you start with is a logo creator. So there's a creator to design 75 professional eye-catching logos. There's an expert domain research tool. Then there's templates for 20 proven top converting websites. You can create viral memes in seconds. The software creates next generation cinemagraphs, and you can make instant profits from 75 t-shirt designs. Now, if you were watching my review yesterday of Convert T-Shirt Store, this product will enable you to design t-shirts that you can sell in the Convert T-Shirt Store. So this is for anyone who's got a website, a blog, or a social media profile. Do you know that with any visual image, you've only got 5 seconds to grab someone's attention? We're a little bit like goldfish these days with everything that's happening online. We just lose attention, forget things very quickly. Goldfish can only remember every 3 seconds. Did you know that? Goldfish can only remember every 3 seconds. Did you know that? Did you know that goldfish could only remember every 3... God, what's going on here? I think I've turned into a goldfish. Right, I don't know what you make of this image, folks. You may like it, you may not. Whatever tickles your fancy, but that's just an example. So we're going to be creating pro websites that convert like crazy. The average designer will charge you $500 for one website these days, where you can probably get it done a little bit cheaper than that on Fiverr, I have to say. But I know where they're coming from. If you try to go to one in the UK, they'd certainly charge you that. So what is? It's these 5 products here that we've got with Auto Crusher. Together, they collectively make up Auto Crusher. They are Domain of LE, E-commerce Crusher, Insta Crusher, Logo Crusher, and Meme Crusher. They'll work for affiliate marketers in multiple niches, e-commerce store owners on Shopify and Teespring, internet marketers looking to sell to local clients, and website owners looking to really scale up for 2019. So the first thing that we're going to teach you is how to build your brand. As I was saying, it all starts with logos and then searching for the right domain. In step 2, you can build unlimited websites. The Web Crusher tool contains over 20 of the highest converting designs. This tool will save you literally thousands. Step 3, traffic's crucial to any online business, as we all know. So you get 2 tools to create free traffic. Meme Crusher, which is a meme making machine that pumps out viral memes and images for Instagram in seconds. You can create unlimited viral memes to get free traffic, or you can sell them to social media marketers. The next one is this tool, Insta Cinema, which creates cinemagraphs, like those eye-catching animated photos that you might see in a Harry Potter movie or something like that. Cinemagraphs stop your audience dead in their tracks on social media blogs or wherever you find them. Step 4 is to build e-commerce revenue. Now you've built your website and you're up and running and crushing it with free social traffic. Then you move on to your e-commerce solution. Again, this is all explained in the video. And then you can choose from 344 proven profitable niches with the Ecom Crusher. This is what I was telling you about, the creation tool for your own t-shirts, which you can load. You can load them to Teespring or Shopify, or better still, you can load them onto your Convert t-shirt store, your own store, which if you were watching my review video yesterday, you would have seen. Just type in a search engine, review Convert t-shirt store, or Convert t-shirt store review, Dawood Islam or West Monster Dave. You should come to my review. Check it out. There's probably, it may even come up as an end screen at the end of this video, or click on my channel. You'll find it. It's worth looking at. It's a great product. Right. Who's this for? Or rather, are you ready to take your business to the next level? Any business owner can launch a complete internet business. It's got e-commerce potential, instant websites, domain research, build your brand, free viral traffic. Join Auto Crusher today and start creating unlimited designs with Logo Crusher, Web Crusher, Domain of Ellie, Ecom Crusher, Meme Crusher, and Insta Cinema. And there are some bonuses that the owners give you. There's a video training series where you can discover how to use all 5 of the Ecom Crusher tools to launch an instant and complete online business. It's over 1 hour of runtime explaining how you can chain the tools together to launch any online business. It's a fast action bonus only, this one. And the second one is a Ecom one-click translation. Enables you a feature to change your t-shirt designs to German and French. Agency and commercial rights are also included. All of the Ecom Crusher tools include full agency and commercial rights. Again, this is only being offered for a limited time as an early bird bonus. And then you will also get these. Now, these ones, I haven't produced a bonus page for this because I've done this quite quick this evening, so I didn't want to miss out on this launch. So you will need to drop me an email. You'll see my email address underneath this video with my link. And next to that is my email address, which is westmonsterdave@gmail.com. That's westmonsterdave@gmail.com. And then you'll be able to access these 3 silver memberships, which are all valued at $27 each. If you head over to any of these websites and attempt to join them, you'll see that it does indeed cost $27 to join them. So these are exclusive free memberships that all have a $27 value. So Traffic Generation Club will tell you how to discover how to fill your site with new leads and customers, reveal the exact strategies top marketers in your niche are using right now to pull down the big traffic numbers. Next is Wealth Upgrade Club. Going broke can happen to anyone, yet creating great wealth is something we can all do. You just need to make the choice right now. Would you rather be wealthy, or would you rather ride the bus to work minimum wage? Well, I think we all know the answer to that one, don't we? Invest smarter, grow faster, and retire rich. And finally, Web Profits Club. Get instant access to this set of eye-opening videos that will give you not 1 but 10 rock-solid ways to make money online. It's a very good one, this one, folks. Well, they're all good, but this one's very good. So you will get all 3 of those silver memberships, and all you need to do to get them, they're exclusive to me. You won't find this offer through anyone else promoting Auto Crusher. You need to drop me an email and enclose your purchase receipt to westmonsterdave@gmail.com. Well, there you have it. Now, price. Now, there is a funnel on, or rather there is upsells on this, and I don't actually have them. I've looked all through the joint venture document and I can't see them. So you will have to judge the upsells on your own merits. Have a look at them, guys, and decide whether they're worth taking. I haven't got the information about them, so I can't tell you whether I give a recommendation or not. My recommendation obviously is for you to take this front end, but a little tip here, it's $17 right now. Okay, it's the opening price. Now, if you shoot up as if you're going to go and exit this page, yeah, you should find that a drop down box appears offering you the product for $12. Yeah, because they think you're about to leave the page. Now, it won't happen to me because I've already triggered it. Yeah. But just try that, guys. I mean, it's worth it at 17 anyway. But if you make a sudden movement with your mouse as if you're going to exit, then you should get a drop down box that offers you the product for $12. Yeah. So there's my little tip there to save you a $5. So try that out. In any case, it's well valued. If it doesn't appear, don't worry, because it's well worth it at 17. The normal price for this product is 97. So yeah, a very good little product. 5-in-1. We always like 3-in-1s, 4-in-1s, 5-in-1s. We had a good launch or a good product recently, 2019 Blast Off, which we liked because it was 4 products in one. Well, this is 5 products in one, even better, and they all do good functionality. So I'm going to give this one 3.5 to 4 stars out of 5. As you know, we don't review any products that we don't like, and that is really it. Guys, enjoy this great little way to launch some additional streams of income for yourself, or to enhance any businesses that you're looking to set up at the moment or in the process, or if you just want to, sort out some better websites for yourself and, to potentially sell them on to others. So that's it for me. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Auto Crusher. Thanks, as usual, for listening and watching.